Thomas the Tank Engine Friends Wooden Railway Episodes. Episode 1 Trouble with Trucks. Percy was just shunting the trucks, and then Percy had a surprise. He knocked off all of the trucks down the rails without much. Percy, you have caused confusion and delay. Now, Molly will be very mad and she'll have to do the trucks herself. Now go clean this mess up, and Sir Tovermat walked away. Gordon, however, was coming out of the washdown. Little Percy, you don't know how express engine rolls perfectly. Oh, I know something, Gordon. You better do your job or else I'll get in trouble again. Little tank engines. You'll see I'm better. Oh, he'll see, said Scrappy. He talked to his team. Okay, team, when Gordon will pull us, we bomb him off the rails. Hee. Percy was getting them back on rails. Soon they were back on the rails. Percy shunted them to the docks. Percy went to the sheds. He went inside and slept. Thomas then woke up. Well, off to take out Clarabelle again. So Thomas set off. Thomas soon arrived. Ah, nicely. He was going across the beautiful sights of the island. Over the bridge. Went to Henry's tunnel. And then soon was at the station. Nice job, I'm glad. Again, Mr. Toughenhat walked out. Thomas, nice job. Now, however, Percy did a terrible job. You are my number one engine. I thank you, sir. That Thomas got away. he had to do another job. Shunt trucks. Trucks were playing rude stuff, and then trucks bombed Thomas off the rails. Matt said, "Trucks, you're so useless. I happen that you not useful." Thomas said, "These trucks are useless." "Hee hee hee hee," the truck said.